welcome to the new session. In the earlier session, you've learned what is Gram Panchayat and their functions. Let us learn about the local self-government in the urban areas from Class 6 Social Studies. Learning outcomes. You will be able to understand about the local self-government in urban areas. Understand how the urban local bodies work and how they get funds. Public amenities. The facilities provided by the government. Municipal Council. The governing body in a municipality. Municipal Corporation. The governing body in a municipal corporation. Councillor. Ward representative in municipal council. Corporator. Ward representative in municipal corporation. Concept map. Towns and cities are places where large number of people live. They require a lot more planning and amenities than in rural areas. Moreover, every year, more and more people are shifting to towns in search of employment and livelihood. So, the size of the cities is growing day by day and new colonies are coming up constantly. Many of these colonies are in the form of slums, in which a large number of poor people live and work. Thus, providing public amenities in towns and cities is a very complex job and needs a large organization. This organization is called municipality. There are three kinds of municipal bodies, depending on the size of the population. Nagar Panchayat, 20,000 to 40,000 people. Municipal Council, 40,000 to 3 lakh people. And Municipal Corporation, more than 3 lakh people. Let us understand about the formation of municipalities. Like the village panchayats, the municipalities too are formed through elections. Urban areas are also divided into ward and divisions. People are elected as representatives. These representatives are called councillors in municipal towns and corporators in corporation cities. Apart from the ward councillors, there are also mayors or chairpersons who head the institution. As per election procedure, The chairman and mayor are elected directly by the enrolled voters of municipality and corporation. Nagar Panchayat. Each Nagar Panchayat has a committee consisting of a chairman with ward councillors, membership consists of minimum of 10 elected ward members and 3 nominated members. The NAC, Notified Area Council. Members of the Nagar Panchayat are elected from the several wards of the Nagar Panchayat on the basis of adult franchise for a term of 5 years. There are seats reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, backward classes and women. The councillors or ward members are chosen by direct election from electoral wards in the Nagar Panchayat. Municipal Council. Each municipality has a municipal council with elected members who are known as councillors and nominated members. To constitute municipal councillor, area of municipality is divided into wards. The ward councillors are elected directly for every 5 years. These councillors and the other members of the council together choose the municipal chairman and directly. Municipal Corporation. Each municipal corporation consists of elected members known as corporators and nominated members. To constitute the municipal corporation, the area of municipal corporation is divided into divisions. The ward corporators are elected directly for every 5 years. These corporators and the other members of the corporation together choose the mayor of municipal corporation indirectly. How does the urban local bodies work? The municipality has a lot of tasks to perform like water supply, street lighting, maintaining and building roads, drainage and garbage disposal, running schools, ration shops, hospitals, etc. Besides taking up new development works, now all this cannot be done by few people or by the corporators or councillors alone. For this purpose, the municipalities employ a large number of workers officers, clerks, and accountants. Each municipality has a number of departments, each headed by an office who is responsible for the proper work of the staff related to that department. For example, there will be a water supply department, electricity department, education department, garbage disposal department, etc. The counsellors keep in touch with the people of the ward to understand their needs and problems and discuss them in the municipality meetings. In order to carry out different type of works, the municipality has a number of committees and the councillors are assigned to those committees. The work of these committees is to review the functioning of the municipality department and plan new works to be undertaken. They prepare proposals which are discussed in the municipality meeting and place it for approval. These decisions are implemented by the officers and employees of the municipality. The ward councillors or corporators ensure that the needs of their wards are placed before the council when the decisions are taken. Also, they keep in touch with the people of the ward who may take their problem to them. Funds for the urban local bodies. The municipality levy a number of taxes like the tax on houses, water and street light tax, taxes on shops, film tickets, etc. However, the income from these taxes is not enough for the work of the municipalities and they depend upon grants from the government. The government allots funds for different projects like road constructions and also for regular work of the municipalities. So, in this video, you've seen how municipalities are crucial in managing urban areas from small towns to large cities. They handle a wide range of responsibilities like infrastructure, public services, and governance through elected representatives, ensuring urban development and addressing community needs. Thank you for watching.